Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Orientica. Brand Orientica is a subsidiary or branch of the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain is one of the biggest perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East, if not the biggest, and they have superbly huge collection of perfume in their lineups. And the Orientica branch is, they have a mixture of the fragrances. Some of them are on the cheaper side, some of them on the luxury side, expensive, and this one is a luxury side of the Orientica. And this one in particular called Orientica Luxury Collection and is Amber Noir Eau de Parfum 80 ml. It's so new, you can't find it anywhere yet, so you have to be patient. Probably in the next few days and weeks it's going to be available for purchase. But before I do this unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your finger, it will do wonders. You can keep this channel float, you can keep me going with this endeavor, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you for your help, and let's go. So as always, because it's a luxury line, the attention to detail is everywhere. It's beautiful. This is from the luxury collection. They have, I think, 5 or 6 of them at the moment, and this one is either the 6th or the 7th one, and I unboxed and reviewed the other ones. If you are interested, you can go and check them up on my channel. So beautiful presentation as always, and it opens up like this, and look at that beautiful bottle. So just looks so dangerous. It's like a Batman or something like that. Very dark, very, everything is about it is dark and mysterious. Look at this. Have you seen anything like this before? Gorgeous bottle. Very, very heavy. It's about 1 kilo of bottle itself. The cap is heavy, about 100 grams itself, and the atomizer is black as well, so it's all over black. Here we go. Very, very good atomizer. So this one is 80 ml Eau de Parfum. This is targeted unisex and retails for around £100, but at the moment it's not available yet, so you have to be patient. Okay, so here we go. First impression for Amber Noir by Orientica. Holy moly. This is gorgeous. Wow. So the first thing that hits me is the fig. It's a huge fig in here. Black bottle, fig. I don't understand that, but let's see, maybe later on it becomes much darker. Here we go. Oh, goodness me, it's very bright. I was expecting something with Amber Noir. I was expecting very dark, very dense, very deep. At the moment it's quite light, it's quite bright, it's quite inviting, it's quite fruity, it's quite fresh. What is going on here? It's a bit confusing. It's got a powdery aspect to it, which is gorgeous. So you need to like your powdery fragrances. This is very, very powdery. So it's quite powdery, very fresh, very green, very fruity. Especially that fig is huge in here. The first thing that hits me is the fig. It's like you're in the Italian countryside and you're driving and you can see the figs, and that smell of the fig is coming towards you. This is it. It's beautiful. It's quite leafy as well, leafy, camphorous, green, but again, at the moment it's quite bright. It's got a backbone of woodiness, but the woods here again very clean, very light, very bright. I'm expecting it to be cedar. There's no oud in here, or at least for right now. I was expecting it to be heavy on the oud, heavy on the rose, because of the black bottle and the black, you know, everything's black in here, and it says the name Amber Noir. I was expecting something very deep, very black, very dark, but so far is the reverse. It's quite bright, it's quite fruity, it's quite fresh. So what's going on? Is it deception? Is it like we tell you something, here you go, you didn't expect that, element of surprise or something like that? Again, the base is very light wood, very bright wood, very quite musky as well. The musk is clean. Whoa, what's going on? Come on, Orientica, why are you confusing us with a black box, black bottle, and the name Amber Noir? Where is the amber? Where is the noir? I mean, there is an amber aspect to it, but amber is here. It's very light amber, it's very bright amber, it's very refreshing amber. It's not a huge, deep, dense, thick, dark amber. I was expecting something else. Anyway, very floral in the mid. I'm not sure what kind of floral is this at the moment. I can't smell rose, I can't smell jasmine, but I can smell some floral. Maybe it's a carnation in here, because it's like a maybe that fig is making it green, but I'm sure it's either white floral or yellow floral in here. Maybe there is a ylang ylang in here, because I can smell something like a ylang ylang, yeah, something like ylang ylang, or maybe something like tuberose. So tuberose, ylang ylang, or something in that vein. I'm getting a big dose of it in the middle, mixing it very soft, very balanced between everything else. But for first impression, first sniff, complete opposite the coloring, complete opposite the name. I don't know why. Is an element of surprise? I don't know. But it's very bright, it's very green, it's very fresh, it's very fruity, it's very floral, and the woods here are very bright, it's very inviting, and also it's musky, and the musk is clean and fresh. So what's going on, Orientica? Is that a trick in your sleeve? Is that later on something dark will come up? I don't know. In the next video, I will let you know the development, the longevity, and things like that. But for right now, it's feeling the room, it's feeling the house. It's very dense and strong. For that, it is correct. That is quite strong and dense. But in terms of smell profile, it's nothing to do with the name. It's nothing to do with the coloring. So next video, I will let you know if there is any changes. But right now, fruity, very floral, almost no sweetness, almost. 0 to 10 being the sweetest, around 5. So sweetness is medium, middle of the road sweetness again. Florals are, I'm expecting to be something in vein of white florals, maybe carnation, maybe lily of the valley, maybe tuberose, and also maybe ylang ylang, because it's quite little bit of an andolic feel to it, but not much. And the base is very woody, but the woods are very bright, very uplifting, is very almost clean. And there's a big musk as well, which is clean and fresh again. So everything is about it. It's like a summer, but the coloring and the name, it suggests winter and heavy and very dense and very thick and very dark. But I'm not getting that right now. So the conclusion, if you like this kind of fragrance, is bright, happy, summery, fresh, fruity, floral, very bright, woods, quite musky. This is amazing. It smells very good, but to me it's a little bit confusing. It's almost ageless, but I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it's got some aspect to it. It gets a little bit on the classical side because of those florals. So it's giving me that little bit of classical feel to it. And it's one of those fragrances that you can use it all year round, because it's got freshness, it's got a little bit of depth to it as well, but it's all year round there. There's no season for it. You can use it in warm weather, in the cold weather. You can use it formal, informal. You can use it evening, daytime, so it's very versatile in that term. It's bang in the middle in terms of sex. Yes, 100% unisex. There's nothing uber masculine or uber feminine to make it feminine or masculine. It's very middle ground. Anybody can wear it. Smells superbly good, smells very delicious, very inviting, but I was expecting something different, and the coloring was suggesting very dark, very heavy, very thick. I was expecting a dark amber, I was expecting oud, I was expecting maybe a dark rose and a thick and dense resinous feel, but none of those are here. It's almost opposite. It's very bright, it's very fruity, it's very fresh, it's very floral, and it's very, very bright. Okay guys, so thank you very much. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons, and if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are 100% natural, amazing value for money, superbly artistic, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.